Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of vector algebra. So as per the problem, if vector A is equal to 3i minus 4j plus k and vector B is equal to negative 2i plus 3j minus k, express each of the following in terms of I, j and k. So we are given vectors A and B in unit vector form. So let's start with part A. So we have to find the expression for 2A minus 3B. So we have to sub in vectors A and B as the given expressions in terms of I, j, k. So this is the first step after subbing in the vectors A and B. Now we have to simplify this expression. So we'll do the scalar multiplication. So we'll multiply each vector by the scalar outside the parentheses. So we'll distribute the 2 and multiply each component in the parentheses by 2. We'll do the same thing for negative 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. And minus 8j. And then plus 2k. And now we have to do negative 3 times negative 2, which is positive 6. Then negative 3 times positive 3. And then negative 3 times negative 1. Now we can combine the I, j and k terms. So for I, 6 plus 6 is 12. For j, negative 8 minus 9 is equal to negative 17. And then for k, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So this should be the final answer for part A. Now we can analyze part B. So we'll sub in the vectors A and B. Now we can multiply the vector B by 5. So we'll multiply each component by 5. So 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Now we can combine the I, j and k terms. So for I, 3 minus 10 is negative 7. And for j, we have to do negative 4 plus 15, which is equal to 11. And for k, we have to do 1 minus 5, which is equal to negative 4. So this should be the final answer for part B. Now we can analyze part C. Now for part C, the first step is to simplify the given expression. So in the first step, we should distribute the 2 and the negative 3 into the parentheses. So in the first part, so we'll multiply 2 by vector A and then 2 by negative 3. Now we'll do the same for negative 3. So negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. And then negative 3 times negative 7 is positive 21. Now we can combine the vector A and vector B terms. So for vector A, we'll do 2 plus 6, which is equal to 8. And for vector B, we can do negative 6 plus 21, which is equal to positive 15. Now we can sub in the given vectors A and B. Now we can distribute the A into the parentheses and 15 into the parentheses. So we'll multiply each component in the first parentheses by 8 and each component in the second parentheses by 15. So 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. And now in the next part we do 15 times negative 2, which is negative 30. And then 15 times 3, which is 45. And then 15 times negative 1, which is negative 15. Now we can combine the I, j and k terms. So for I we do 24 minus 30, which is equal to negative 6. And for j we do negative 32 plus 45, which is equal to 13. And for k we do 8 minus 15, which is equal to negative 7. So this should be the final answer for part C. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.